As you can see, this guy just got a $100 Google Play gift card completely free. If you also want to know how to get it, watch this video until the end. First, open your web browser, any browser works, and go to papycode.com. Make sure to type the address exactly as shown. Once you're on the site, scroll through the list until you find Google Play. When you find it, tap on Redeem. Now here you can see that we can get a $100 Google Play gift card code completely free. Click on Go. Now scratch the code. Alright, the code is hidden at the moment, and we need to complete 2 tasks to unlock it. It's very easy, just follow along. Click on this button. What you need to do is download and open any of these 2 apps and run them for at least 30 seconds. Each offer has its own requirements, so read them carefully and make sure to complete them correctly. Otherwise, it won't work. I'm going to complete one of the offers right now and follow all the steps. I'll fast forward this part to make it quicker. Perfect. As you can see, the offer has been completed. Now go back to the page and refresh it. Now scroll down, click on the Go button, and scratch the code again. And boom, as you can see, we've successfully unlocked the $100 Google Play gift card code. Now all you have to do is go to the official Google Play website, redeem the code, and enjoy your balance. And that's it. As you can see here, the code worked and now we have $100 on Google Play completely free. That's how you can get a $100 Google Play gift card using this site. Thanks for watching. If you need help, leave a comment below and I'll be happy to help.